lot to explore here, but we'll start on this side of the table. What do we have in front of us
We
here?
have a Bourg d'Essenay from France, which is an award winner every year. Bit higher fat content at 85%.
Okay.
Most European butters are fermented before they are churned, so it gives it a tangier,
Ooh,
nuttier
tangy.
flavor.
Because nothing beats a baguette with French butter.
Okay, so it's got sea salt crystals in it, and the fermenting might give it a tangy taste, you say?
Yeah, a nuttier, tangy flavor than you might get in some domestic USA butters.
Man, that's good.
Yeah, you get the tanginess. Yeah, it's amazing.
And the crystals in the
Yes,
sea salt.
Sure. And like I said, every year it's an award winner somewhere in Europe.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be eating so much bread and butter today. This is such a tough
sure.
job.
There are butters from overseas and butters made with physicality right here in the United States.
Next, we have a domestic butter, which started in Australia, became so popular that they opened up a creamery in Pennsylvania, Pepe Saya, and it is being churned by the Amish in Pennsylvania and is available in over 40 states now.
Wow.
After 2 years of being on the market here.
So, and it's churned by the Amish.
Yes.
So what do you think that that does for the butter?
Small single batches
Sure.
compared to commercially made butters. Yeah. See, that's,
It's smooth.
yes, yes.
Today we're sampling a baguette from M's Bakery in Bend.
So when it comes to butter, this one already had some sea salt crystals in it.
Yeah.
This one did not. It was unsalted. But if you want to salt it yourself and not buy the salted butter, you can add in
Yeah.
some malt and sea salt.
I think the coarseness of it gives it a really good flavor, and then breaking it over the butter
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that's fantastic. And it's like
gives it a really sharp, nice flavor.
it does, and it gives it more of a presentation as well. You know, if you
Yes.
want to add flaky sea salt into something, it just looks fancy.
Yeah, and you can put it on your little table and your little ramekin.
At Newport Avenue Market, you'll also find a butter with their own label.
These are Newport's own. We have a salted and an unsalted butter. This is made for us in the Willamette Valley.
Okay.
It's sent here in 50-pound blocks, and the crew and I cut it up.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You're busy when that
Yeah,
arrives.
it takes a minute. We cut and wrap it, price it.
Sure.
And this is Newport Avenue's own butter, and it's very, very good.
How long have you guys been carrying this?
Well, I've been here for 10 years, and we've had it the whole time.
You're kidding.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, well, that's a fun fact, too,
Yeah.
that it's made just for the store.
Tell you a little story. I grew up with my grandmother who loved graham crackers. Okay.
Okay.
So we would take butter, put them on graham crackers, dip them in her coffee at breakfast. So the sensories bring me back to when I was a kid.
Huge, yes. Well,
Yeah.
and who doesn't love butter? But that's a fabulous story. How
Sure.
sweet is that?
If you want a sweet treat to put butter on top of, Ramona's Kitchen makes a gluten-free vegan dessert bread.
I think
Wait
that
till you
does
put the
perfect.
butter on it and give it a shot. It's amazing.
A dessert bread.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a dense slice that I've got here
kind
for
of
sure.
a sweet bread. Yes.
Okay, a
this
sweet
is
bread.
a cardamom orange, I think.
Oh, okay. Cardamom orange sweet bread. That's fun to like entertain for
Yeah.
people too. It's a good like local one to have. Okay, we're gonna spread that on there.
And that is amazing.
The
Yeah,
orange and cardamom. That's
good.
good. That shines.
sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
My God, there's so much flavor in that.
Yep.
The orange specifically. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's almost like the peel. Yeah.
You can find local bread to go along with the many choices of quality butter at Newport Avenue Market in Bend. For another edition of Taste This, I'm Emily Kirk.